Have you read the newspaper today? The government is planning to help low-income people by offering cash subsidies to them. Really? That is good news for them. How about helpless middle-class employees, like us? The government is also considering to increase the tax allowances for the salaries tax, so our tax burden would be relieved to some extent if the measure is confirmed. Still considering, they should do something immediately to help us. I think the government will know what to do. However, the Financial Secretary claimed that the government will have a deficit budget in this fiscal year if these measures are implemented simultaneously. I think a deficit budget is acceptable, since the government has a huge exchange fund. Anyway, as a citizen, I do not think that it is good for the government to run into deficit and use the exchange fund to pay for the deficit. But the deficit budget is just an estimated one, and it could turn out to be a fiscal surplus. Yes, but this will not necessarily happen. Hey, don't you want the additional tax allowance? You should consider about your well-being and not worry about the government. Well, everybody knows that I am a responsible citizen.
Do you know what a deficit budget is? How about a surplus budget? Can you imagine how a cash subsidy and an increase in tax allowance for the salaries tax will affect the output and the price level in the economy?